Trinidad and Tobago, with a blue sea, white sand and bright sunshine. The island is beautiful like paradise, carrying within it many miracles. Trinidad and Tobago, a gem, a place with vibrant soca music. There are brilliant carnivals, and the people are friendly and hospitable. Of Spain, arrive in peaceful and quiet Tobago. Each place has its own beauty, attracts tourists from all over the world. Trinidad and Tobago, a gem, a place with vibrant soca music. There are brilliant carnivals, and the people are friendly and hospitable. Come and explore Trinidad and Tobago, you won't regret it. This place will bring you unforgettable experiences, which you will never find anywhere else. Trinidad and Tobago, a gem.